So it's been a while. I probably owe you guys a big apology. It's been quite a while since I put up a legitimate vlog on this YouTube channel. And the reason for that is, well, to be honest, the entire idea behind this vlog was to document, my work as I travel around the world, doing these kind of journalism projects, doing these film projects, doing these documentary projects. And to kind of show the background story of what was going on and what was kind of happening behind the scenes. And the problem with this was that I was spending so much time doing the vlog that I wasn't properly able to do the real work that I do, to do what I actually wanted to show with this vlog in a way that I felt was, up to the level that I wanted to do it at. I realized that I needed another way. I needed new methods. I needed to come up with a way to basically do everything. Now, my entire work, my entire, economic strategy is based upon, diversity, having a diverse, array of mediums and platforms that I publish on. It's the only way I can make this possible. I travel full time. I travel around the world full time, writing and making videos about things that I think is interesting. Now, my strategy going into this is that, I'll do, the text journalism, just basic, straightforward, Guardian, Forbes, Reuters, all the other publications that I write for. I'll do, the text blog. I'll do this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel does bring me in a reasonable amount of money each month. It's not a lot, but it is, well, like I said before, it pays for my food and beer. And then I top everything off with, more academic, types of writing, giving presentations or lectures at universities, giving talks, writing books that are published by an academic publisher. And so, the master plan is that all these different sides are going to come together and I'm going to be able to, be successful in what I do. The problem with this was that it was too much. I just didn't have time to do everything. And I'm still sorting this out, but I'm going to try to get to a point where, either A, I strip down what I do and have like a main focus and stick to it, or B, I'm gonna kill myself because I can't keep going on like this. Right. And so, what I've ultimately decided to do was focus on video. This is what I like. And at this point, it's not my strong suit. My strong suit is writing. I'm a writer. I'm an author, right? But video is what I really love doing. I'm from Rochester, New York, the birthplace of film, like the place that produced and designed, so many cameras and so much film and equipment, like all through history. So this, like, the cameras, man, I mean, the cameras they're in my blood, This is what we make, or what we used to make, where I come from. Right now, I'm just going to give an update on where I've been and what I've been doing during this past month, where I haven't really been vlogging very much. My last vlog, we left off at Rhodes in Greece, on the Isle of Rhodes. I went from Asia to the Isle of Rhodes to kind of relax, kind of escape from the world, and kind of like get some projects done that have been lingering for, quite a while. So I went there, I hung out in the room, I drank a lot of beer, I hung out on the beach, and it was, a beautiful experience. It was exactly what I was after. I did that for a month, and after a month it was time to go. I wanted to stay longer, but it was time to go. So we went to Bulgaria, and we got an apartment like right in the heart of Sofia. And I continued doing my work from there. It was comfortable, it was nice. Sofia's cool, it's
Open the rich. Please, Petra, believe me. Please believe me. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child.
And after about a week or so of being there, I went to Oman in the Middle East. And I did a project there about this new city called Duqm, which I'll have a short documentary about Duqm coming out on this channel pretty soon. And that took out, that wiped me out about 2 weeks, right? I've put like, 2 weeks of April into this Duqm, into this Oman project. And then I went back to Bulgaria, I went back to Sofia, and I started like, putting this project together, right? Because there's like lots of elements and lots of work that goes into it. And I started working on that, and then my wife's grandfather died. So we packed up everything like right away, that day, went to the airport, got on a plane, and we flew, back to the USA. We flew into Boston, and then I drove up from Boston to Bangor. And that's where we are now. So to put it, pretty quite simply, April was a month of, disruptions. It was a month of a lot of travel, a lot of, I was busy, right? And I'm really sorry about this because this vlog really suffered because of it.